Hi guys, it's me, Sahasra, and today we are going to be sowing some seeds. This year we planned to grow a garden, and today we'll be planting the seeds. We have over here bitter gourd, cluster beans, snake gourd, cucumber, and ridge gourd. Now we're going to plant the seeds. Let's go. Right now I'm going to be planting snake gourd seeds right here. Okay, so when you plant them, you see this side up here, the skinnier side, it has to be facing the sky. And this side down here, it has to be facing into the ground. So I have 3 seeds right now, so I'll have to dig 3 holes. I'm going to do the first one. There, good enough hole. Now, remember what I said, have to put this facing up, so like that. And then I'm going to cover it. Like that. And then now I'm going to put the next one over here. Here's the next one, this side up. And there, and now to cover it. And the last one's going to be right here because we want them to go up there. It's always easier to take it up there. Now put it in with that side up. And there. All done with these ones. And we're right here so they can crawl up to this. We're going to put a metal fence wire thingy and they can go there. Now let's move on to the next one. Okay, now I'm going to be planting bitter gourd. So every plant has a trick to use when you're planting it. This one, this sharper side right here, it has to go up, while the rounder side on the other side has to go down. Now I'm gonna plant them. I have 3, so I'm gonna dig 3 holes. This one, here, and put them in here. See, the sharp part goes up. Just gonna stick it into the ground and cover it. Hopefully it grows fast. Next one's gonna be right here. Whoa, my shoe. Make it big enough there. Next one, here's the sharp part. And stick it in. And cover it up. Get this off my shoe. And next one is going to be right. Okay, now this last one, here's sharp side. Put it up. There, cover it up. And all done with these. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, now it's time to plant some cucumber seeds. All we have to do is just like take a bit of mud off, put them in, and then close it. There's no trick for these or anything. And as you see, a few of them have already gone loose. So first, I want to dig a deep enough. And there, all good. Now, that's all. And then cover them up. all done. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Bye!